Rice can be a very intimidating task for most people, but today, don't worry, I'll show you how to make the best perfect fluffy. You done?
Yeah. There's no going back.
Let's begin. Welcome back everybody to another episode of One Plate Gourmet. Today we'll be looking at how to make basmati rice. This recipe works for every other rice, but basmati is the best. Let's start out with our ingredients. First we'll use star anise. This is going to be the star of our show. Some ground cinnamon. I said ground, I mean whole cinnamon. Some bay leaf. I don't know why I said ground cinnamon. Salt. Can't believe I said ground cinnamon. And black pepper. Now, we'll also add parsley to the mix after, and we'll add in rosemary during our, little encounter, whatever, with the others. And we'll be using basmati rice, as I said before, because this is the best rice, honestly. It's nice and fluffy every time. First, we'll start off by dicing our parsley. Don't worry, this is the only prep you'll ever have to do for this, because, there's not much else, this is just for the rice, strictly speaking. You want to cut up your parsley into fine-sized pieces, so that means getting it really, really small, really, really, really small. You don't want any big chunks of parsley in your rice. All right. Now, once that's done, just scoop it up and put it to the side. We'll use it after the rice is done cooking. Then we'll move on to the next step, washing our rice. So 1 cup of rice to 1 cup of water. We already know this. Now you want to wash it 3 times and then just, bring it back. 3 times, or at least until the water stops being cloudy. Next, you want to season your rice. This is the best time to season it. So you add in your salt and add in your peppers, and then we add in the rest of our aromatics, our star anise, our bay leaf, our cinnamon sticks, which is optional, and our rosemary. Then it's 1 cup of rice to 1 cup and 1/4 cup of water. Don't forget this, it's very important. And then bring it up to a boil, simmer it, and close it up. Now don't open the lid. Just leave it there for about 10 to 12 minutes and let it cook. Once that's done, your timer went off, take it off and just inhale all of that nice aroma from your rice, because now it smells amazing. And before you start eating it, just make sure you take out all of our aromatics, because you don't want to eat that. They don't taste good, frankly. Next, add in our parsley and just give it a good mix. Follow this recipe every time and you have the perfect fluffy rice. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the best fluffy rice ever, and it looks nice. If you want to add a little spice to it, go ahead. You can add your vegetable sauce, you can add a nice tomato stew, or if you like a kicker, you can add a hot peppery beef stew. And there you have it. Again, not so plain rice. Oh wait, no, stop. I just realized something.
What?
I didn't add any of the seasonings yet.